Marhaba, Jay De La Cruz in Dubai, and for today's vlog we will do our unboxing our desk fan. Since Dubai is very hot because it's summer season, so mainit po dito sa aking pwesto. Kita nyo naman, bintana, mainit. Flexing my beautiful sunflower and napapaligiran ng files. So, yun po, nag-request ako na fan. So, tayo ay mag-unboxing ng ating desk fan. Super init kasi, pero I will just use this for 1.5 month. Kasi October, winter na, so hindi na masyado mainit. I said white. Bakit ang dapating ay black? Jero desk fan. Ayoko kasi ng stand fan. Kasi sikip. Ay. So, ito parang kanyang stand. Cover. Black talaga. Okay. And then, plastic LC. So thin. And, ang kanyang, what's this? I don't know. Or what is this? This I don't know for what is this. So tomorrow na ulit ang ating pag-assemble. So ito na ang ating unboxing the stand fan. Tomorrow na ulit ang install. Ipapa-install ko sa aming supervisor. Thank you for watching.